I work on making new types of cancer medicine. Lots of the medicines that you are probably aware of are quite small in size, such as paracetamol and ibuprofen. My medicine is bigger because in cancer we often have large molecules coming together in our body and sticking to each other over a large surface area. My medicine is big because if we're trying to break up this kind of fight between these two molecules, you need something big. You send in your big friend to break up a fight, not your small one. So I like to describe my medicine as kind of the Incredible Hulk of medicines, because it's not only big, it's also very strong. So when we're making big medicines, these usually have problems with stability. You could never put them in your medicine cabinet along with your paracetamol tablet, for example. But my medicine's different. We can actually boil it and cool it down and it'll still be really happy. So maybe one day it could be in that medicine cabinet. There are some other bigger medicines already in the clinic. These are called antibodies, but they have problems in that they're often made by harnessing the immune system of animals, such as mice. The problem with this is often a very lengthy process and you never know what the final product will be. Will it be stable, for example? And this is why my medicine is better. We can design it, make it and test it all within a matter of weeks and months. It also is good in that we can design it using our brains alone, which is partly why it's so much faster.
All within a matter of weeks and months. It also has a very strong chemical structure, a bit like the Incredible Hulk on the right. Now you share a common visual history and we use all the same theories and methodologies.
So delivering a presentation under such tight time constraints as a 3-minute thesis competition is pretty hard. I think practicing it seemed quite a lot easier, but when you have the judges right in front of you, you kind of start to panic a little bit. But I think it's very good. We often have to present at conferences as scientists, write grant proposals, so being able to communicate your research in a clear and concise manner is very important. So during my PhD, I've participated a lot in public engagement. I've worked in radio, print and a bit of TV, and I found this all very exciting. I think the most important thing for public engagement is to show your passion for your research, because then others can also become passionate. I think you kind of can do this through being quite fun in the way that you present, not being too serious. An example of this is when I was on the Naked Scientist radio show here in Cambridge, where I brought chili peppers into the show and got all the other participants to bite them, which kind of resulted in people rushing in with milk to try and quell the heat. I also think it's good to to tell a story when you're communicating your research, because us humans have our ears kind of prick up to a story when we hear it. So a beginning, middle and end I think is a really good format to kind of stick to.